Exquitln Sidra Avinyonet, Copa De Oro Sidra Ambar, Tempus Alt-Clsica, Cosaco Negra, Cucap Minerva Imperial Stout, Cucap Green Card, Minerva Stout Imperial, Copa De Oro Viking, Cosaco Roja, Beer Factory Celebracin, Baja Black, Baja Peyote Pale Ale, Calavera Mexican Imperial Stout, Cucap Chupacabras Pale Ale, Beer Factory Cascabel, Cucap Lowrider Ale, Tempus Alt Malta, Tijuana Morena, Baja Oatmeal Stout, Indio, Sol, Kate, Victoria, Dos Equis, Pacifico, Negra Modelo.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.